Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Farmer's Clever Son. A moral story: there is no use crying over spilt milk. A farmer lived with his parents, wife, and kids in a small village. One day, his father passed away. He was extremely sad. He stopped eating, sleeping, and even working on the farm. The farmer's son thought, all the crops will be destroyed if father keeps grieving like this. I must do something. 2 days later, the farmer came out of the house and saw his son sitting in front of a dead cow crying. He had not eaten anything for the past 2 days. The farmer explained, "Son, your crying will not bring back the dead cow. But you will fall sick if you don't eat or take care of yourself." The son said, "Father, then you must also stop grieving over grandfather's death. We can't bring him back." The farmer realized his mistake and, from that day onwards, began working on the farm again.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.